Welcome to Zigwik Offer Creation Demo. Here you can learn how to effectively create an offer in Zigwik. Zigwik is a marketplace for time-based offers. That means you can create an offer for your online professional consultation, educational course or services in Zigwik and share your suitable time slots with other users. So, let's get started. This is the home page of Zigwik. Here you will find some hot offers that are available in Zigwik. In order to create an offer, let's first log in. Enter your email address and password to log in. You can also log in using Google, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. Now that we have successfully logged in Zigwik, we can now start creating offers. To create an offer, check out My Account on the right side. Here, click on Offerings. This will directly take you to New Offer Creation widget. Offer Creation widget have a 4-step process. First, let's create an offer that does not have any schedules. You can always check out additional information, where you will get more details about fields in Offer Creation widget. For instance, first point here tells you how to identify mandatory fields to create an offer. One more example is the name field that uniquely identifies your offer and will give a unique link for your offer page. You can also check out the tooltips to get more information about a specific field. Now for this demo, we will create an offer to take mock interviews of other users and provide valuable feedback that will help them get a better job. Let's get started. First, select appropriate category group and category for the offer. In our case, it will be online consultation, career, interview, and then mock interview. Let's create a unique title for your offer that will show up in the offer page. Then add a unique name for your offer. As mentioned before, the name field is important to generate a unique link to your offer page. For now, let's keep the other fields as default and create the offer. Great, the offer is created now. Let's check how the offer page is looking now. For that, click on the link for My Offering. Here you will see all your offers that you have created so far. Now you will find a link for your offer page in the title column. Click on that link. I am opening a new tab in the browser and opening this link. As you can see, your offer is not active as of now. This page is the representation of your offer that other users will see once your offer is active. You can make your offer more appealing to other users by making it attractive. You can use markdown language in the description field to make your offer beautiful. Let's do that. Go back to My Offering page and click on the Edit button for your offer. As you can see, there are some buttons where we have also added additional information. Let's click on the Edit button now. Here there are some information that cannot be edited as they are required to uniquely identify the offer. To make the offer pretty, let's first change the description field to add more appealing description in markdown language. I have created some examples that will help you to create nice offer description. You can pause the video to understand the description. We will see 4 such examples now. This is the first one. You can also add images to your offer description as shown here. I will now copy this description and paste it in the description field of the offer. Also, let me add some guidelines that acts as a contract between you and the user who will book your offer. Now let's click on the Update button. Great, now that the offer is updated, Let's check the offer page again. Now you can see that the description of the offer page have better representation than before. You don't see any image in the offer description because the link to the image is not correct. Let's try out another example for description now. This is another example of the description. Let's follow the same step as we did for the first example. I will now copy the description and paste it in the description field. Let's check the offer page now. Now the description of the offer has changed. There are some images in this description that are not available as of now, but you can put any image linked to show your own image. Now it's time to see how the third example of description will look like. Let me quickly show you that. This is the third example of the offer description. Remember, you can always pause the video to have a better look at the description and learn how it is designed. Let me quickly copy the description and paste it again in the description field of the offer. Great, now the offer is updated again. Let's check how the offer page looks like. This is a different view of the offer page now. You can always keep doing this until you are satisfied with the look of your offer page. We recommend you to do that so that you can have a nice professional outlook at your offer before activating it. Similarly, let's see the final example of the description before we add the actual description for our mock-up interview offer. I am only showing you the example so that you can try it out by yourself. Now what you see here is the actual description for the mock-up interview offer that I want to share with other users. Let me quickly follow the same steps again to update the offer description. Great! The offer looks good, right? You can now also see an image that I added for the description. Now there is still one thing remaining. Let's also add a good image that represents the mock interview offer better. I have created a suitable image already. Let me choose that and save the image. Perfect. Let's check out the offer page again. This looks good. Now, as you can see, we have an offer page that we can share with other users. By the way, you can add 4 such images for the offer. Feel free to do that for your offers. You can also add some additional properties for your offer. For example, let me add total interviews taken and experience in number of years as additional properties for the offer. Okay, now I'm clicking on the Update button to save the properties. Done. Now that we have added all required information for the offer page, let's learn how to add actual schedule for your offer. The first step is to add a day representation for the offer. A day representation is a design of your day, or in simple words, how do you want to arrange different slots for your schedule in a particular day? As you can see, I am adding a day representation for weekday. I want to arrange my day to have slots of 1.5 hours. Now I have to select at what times during the day I want my slots to be arranged. I would select first slot from 5:30 and second one from 7:15 p.m. Clicking on the Create button will create the day representation. So now I have a day representation where I can share 2 slots in a day with 1.5 hour slot. You can also edit the day representation by clicking on the Edit button. Let's say I want to add one more slot from 3:30 p.m. Done. The day representation is updated. You can create similar representation for your week as well. Let's do that. I want to attach the day representation that I just created to different days of my week. Let's say I want to have a date off on Wednesday and also during weekend. Clicking on Create button will create the week representation. That's it. Let's go to the next step. Now let's create the actual schedule. Just a quick information, you can always click on additional information if you want to understand any specific field or how things work in the offer creation widget. For example, in order to create an offer, you need to select the schedule type. Here, as you can see, there is an explanation of 3 such schedule types for your convenience. Let's start creating the schedule now. Insert a unique schedule name for your offer. Then, select the schedule type. I'm selecting hourly schedule type for this offer. Depending on the schedule type, fix a price that you would like to charge for your offer. As this offer is of hourly type, I will fix a price that will allow me to offer the mock interview for 1.5 hour slot. The price that you see in green is the actual price that other users will see for your offer. The price is greater than the price I'm inserting because it also adds commission that Zigwik is charging once the booking is done. But don't worry, creating an offer is entirely free and you are not charged anything. Now I have fixed a price that looks good to me. I will select the start date and end date when I want my schedule to be available. For these dates, I will now attach the day or week representation that I have created in the previous step. First, let me attach the week representation to a couple of days. For the remaining days, I don't want to take Wednesday off, so I will attach the day representation to the rest of the days. Okay, all good. Now let me quickly add the minimum approval days that I need to approve a booking request from a user. Also, I will add the maximum possible booking as one so that I will allow only one user to book one slot. Once a single user have booked the slot should become unavailable for booking. Finally, I will add maximum days for full and half refund. Please note that the full refund days should always be greater than the half refund days. Everything looks good. Let's create the schedule. Great. It worked. Now finally, let's activate the offer. The first thing to do here is to activate the schedule. You can create multiple schedules in your free time and activate them as and when it is required. Great. The schedule that we created is activated now. Let's now activate the offer. Awesome. Everything went well. The offer is active now. Let's check the offer page once again. Now, as you can see, there is a Book Now button that other users can use to book your offer. This offer is available to all users now, and users can now search your offer and book it as per their requirement. There is a booking form below the offer page that users will use for booking. Users can either scroll down and go to the booking form or just click on the Book Now button. In the booking form, you will find all the available slots that we have activated as a part of the schedule. As you can see, the slots are not available on Wednesdays and during weekend. However, for the last week, the slots are available for Wednesday as planned. Users can select any one of the 3 slots for booking as per their convenience. They can also click on the information icon to get more details about a particular slot. The users can also filter specific days and schedule type to search for days when they would like to book the offer. Let's book a specific slot for the offer. For that, click on the checkbox for a specific day and click on Add to Cart button. The slot for the offer is now added to the cart. Let's go to the cart now and find the booking. You can go to the cart by either going to My Account and clicking on the shopping cart link, or by clicking on the cart button and then clicking on the View Cart button. Great! As you can see, we have the booking now in the cart. You can always see more details about the booking by clicking on the drill down button. You can also remove a booking from cart by clicking on the Cancel button. At the end, let's log out from Zigwik. Hope you enjoyed our offer creation tutorial. Thanks for watching. Zigwik, where time works for you.